Welcome to solverfy.
To determine which of the options are statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05, we need to look at the confidence intervals and p-values that are provided. So in the first one, a relative risk of 1.4 with a 95% confidence interval of 0.8 to 2.2, well, the confidence interval includes 1, which means that the relative risk is not statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. So not the first one. The second one, a ratio of 10 with a p-value of 0.001. Well, the p-value is less than 0.05, which means that the ratio is statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. So I would choose the second one, a rate ratio of 10 with a p-value of 0.001. The third one, a relative risk of 0.06 with a 95% confidence interval of 0.02 to 0.10. The confidence interval does not include 1, which means that the relative risk is statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. So choose that third one as well. The fourth one, a risk ratio of 1.95 with a p-value of 0.5. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, which means that the risk ratio is not statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. The fifth one, a risk ratio of 0.9 with a 95% confidence interval of 0.81 to 1.82. Again, this interval includes 1, which means that the risk ratio is not statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. And the last one, a relative risk of 2.2 with a p-value of 0.03. The p-value is less than 0.05, which means that the relative risk is statistically significant at an alpha level of 0.05. So choose that last one as well.